Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to all my new subscribers, thank you for joining. And all my old subscribers, thank you for supporting me, guys. Today I'm going to make a brown stew pork without any artificial browning. So grab your ingredients and let's get straight to the kitchen. Here I have about 1 kilo of pork. I'm going to cut that in bite-sized pieces. And here are all my fresh seasoning, guys. Here I have bell pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. I'm going to cut those up and set aside. Here I've cut all the seasoning now, guys. I'm going to add that to the pork. And also I'm going to add the dry seasoning. Season, marinate for at least 30 minutes or possible overnight, guys. A cast iron pan over medium flame. To that I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also use white. We're going to let that caramelize to make the brown stew. Here I'm checking after the first 15 minutes, guys. You can see that our pork has gotten brown. I'm going to add 2 cups of boiling water and cover again. Here I'm back after about 30 minutes. I'm going to add our seasoning along with some carrot, thyme, pimento seed, and I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of ketchup along with another 2 cups of boiling water. Stir, cover, and allow sauce to thicken. And here you have it, guys, all ready. And here I'm serving it with a side of rice and peas, fried plantain, and salad. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you try this recipe. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And guys, please turn your notification bell on, so as soon as I drop a new recipe, you will be the first to get it, guys. Stay safe until next time. Bye.